To use the line tool from a mobile device, you will need to have the Google Slides mobile app. So when you open that app, or you open up the slides within the app, you're going to want to turn your phone sideways to get the biggest view possible. Okay, so if I am on this slide here and I want to draw lines and use the line tool, I'm going to press this plus button in the top right and select the tool that I want. And what I want is the line tool right here. And just a basic line. Okay, and it'll have it on the screen for me, and then I will just resize it and move it where I need it to go by dragging it around the screen. And that is all there is to the line tool on a mobile device. If I wanted to add another line, I would just press that plus button again and choose line tool, basic line. I can also change the thickness with the different settings at the bottom of the screen, so whatever you prefer is completely fine. Okay, good luck on your performance test today.